Hey, so you see my hat? This is what they call a totem. It comes from sort of the Native Americans of totem pole or Canadian, what are they called? First people, I think they're called. A totem is a representation of something. So for me, my hat is when I am at my most creative. I am at my best. In a way, it's like my superhero costume. I, I love this hat. I've had this hat forever. I can tell you exactly where I got it. I got it at the Rayleigh's in South Lake Tahoe in Northern California. This hat means a lot to me, and what it does is that it opens up centers of creativity and power and confidence. Now, I can't wear this hat to a presentation. Well, I could wear it to a presentation, although it would definitely then be something that the audience would notice. So totems are excellent ways to bring with you elements that you want to be brought with. Yeah, that's good grammar. What is your power? What is an element of power for you that you could bring to your presentation, to your speech, to your talk that gives you some of that power? This is called a totem. It could be a little thing you put in your pocket. It could be something you wear. It could be a little element somewhere that you're hiding on your body. Or it could be a thing it could be a piece of paper you put in your sock. It could be anything. But what it is, it's your secret power. And in fact, I've read, don't necessarily share it with people because they can poke at it. It's your secret power. You know it's there. You're going to use it, and you can bring it with you to your next talk or a speech or a presentation or anything you're doing. That's a totem. These are the kinds of things we're going to be talking about in our confidence speaking play shop. We call it a play shop, not a workshop, because we're going to play. We're going to be doing things like this, like using a totem, finding a totem, figuring out what your totem might be, and then using it in your public speaking, in your speeches, in your talks. This is the kind of fun stuff we're going to be playing with. Come join us. It's an in-person workshop. We like to call it a play shop in the Netherlands, coming soon. More details below. Jump on the wait list to find out more about it and when it's happening, and all the details below. It's in the Netherlands, in person with me, and I'm Bradley Charbonneau and Spencer Waldron. We're co-hosting this play shop. All right, I'm going to stop because I think my totem of my hat is wearing off. All right, enjoy. And that's another element of it, right? What does it, and how does it work, and when does it give you certain powers, and does it last your whole speech, for example, or is it to get you started, right? So we can define what the totem is for you and what it means for you. So for example, in what I'm doing right now, because I'm just blabbing on here, I could make this, hey, this needs to bring it home and bring that power into the end of my talk as well. So there we have it. I just brought my power all the way to the end. Hey, Honchus. Oh, now I got some real audience now. All right, I'm going to go with the flow with it. Hey, by the way, there's a little teaser. How do you deal with external factors? If you are rehearsing your talk and you've got it down to the second and down to the word, what happens when dogs come and and visit your presentation stage? How do you play with that? What could do it? And it could be that you come back to your totem, and you come back to my hat, and you come back to my focus, and come back to my topic at hand. And so these things can ground you in the case of third party or external events where you're not quite, oh wow, that interrupted my whole flow. Wait a minute, come back, got that thing in your pocket, or you're holding onto that thing, or that piece of paper in your sock. For me, it's my hat. I have other totems as well, which I'm not going to tell you about. And that's some more tricks of the trade of public speaking and confidence in your public speaking. Come join us at the Confidence Play Shop. I'll see you there. All right, doggies, time to go.